Dusty Andrews is the engineering director for Knife River Prestress in Harrisburg, Oregon. An alumnus of the inaugural PCI leadership class, Dusty has been a member of PCI since 2004. He currently serves on PCI's Board of Directors, Technical Activities Council, and Membership Council, and is Vice Chair of the Parking Structures Committee. He is also actively involved in other committees, including Fire, Architectural Precast Concrete, PCI Leadership, and Architectural Certification. A recipient of the 2021 Erwin J. Spire Young Professional Engineer Award, Dusty has worked steadfastly for the advancement of the precast concrete industry throughout his career. His peers and colleagues describe him as a true expert and example of generosity, integrity, and leadership. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Dusty Andrews as a PCI Fellow. Oguzhan Bayrak, known to all as Ozzy, is a professor of civil engineering at the University of Texas at Austin. For more than 2 decades, PCI and its members have benefited widely from Ozzy's expertise through his committee work, regular contributions to Aspire magazine, and articles in PCI Journal. He was a recipient of the Journal's George D. Nasser Award in 2011 and the Robert J. Lyman Award in 2016. A highly respected researcher, Ozzy has done extensive work for the Texas Department of Transportation and the Federal Highway Administration. He is well known in both the industry and academia as a gifted teacher and communicator with tremendous technical knowledge and a passion for solving real-world problems. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Ozzy Bayrak as a PCI Fellow. Jeffrey Carlson is the retired chair of the Consulting Engineers Group in Mount Prospect, Illinois, and currently the vice president for CEG, Illinois. A licensed engineer in 18 states, Jeff has designed and managed the construction of hundreds of precast concrete structures across the country. He has also played a major role in plant certification and in the restoration and preservation of precast concrete structures. A longtime supporter of PCI, Jeff has served on and chaired the Parking Structures Committee for many years. His committee work also includes the Total Precast Systems Committee and the 4th edition of the PCI Design Handbook. Jeff's colleagues and peers speak highly of the depth and breadth of his expertise and his invaluable mentorship of young engineers. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Jeff Carlson as a PCI Fellow. Jason Krohn has been a dedicated and passionate advocate for precast concrete for more than 25 years. In his previous roles at PCI and as Vice President of Engineering at SK Ghosh Associates, he has made major contributions to the industry and to PCI's committee work, including 3 editions of the PCI Design Handbook, for which he received the Leslie D. Martin Certificate of Merit. Jason has participated actively in numerous technical and standards writing committees and was instrumental in the formation of the joint ACI-PCI Committee, Precast Structural Concrete Code. Currently, he is the Vice Chair of the Building Code Committee and a member of the Blast Resistance and Design Standard Committees. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Jason Krohn as a PCI Fellow. George Morcous is a professor of construction engineering at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. He is well known for his significant research contributions to the advancement of precast concrete and the use of high-performance concrete for bridges. George's work has been instrumental in numerous innovations that have been particularly important for the Nebraska Department of Transportation, as well as the precast concrete industry. A strong supporter of both PCI and its Midwest chapter, George is a 3-time recipient of PCI's Daniel P. Jenney Research Fellowship and received the PCI Educator Award in 2014. George is greatly esteemed by academics and industry professionals alike for his expertise, innovative research, teaching, and mentorship, and his steadfast commitment to our industry. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor George Morcous as a PCI Fellow. Glen Switzer is the Sales and Marketing Manager for Dura-Stress Incorporated in Leesburg, Florida. As a PCI Foundation trustee, and chair of both the Leadership PCI Committee and the Educational Activities Council, Glen has been instrumental in advancing PCI's educational efforts. Additionally, he served multiple terms on other PCI committees, including Student Education and Innovation, as well as the Board of Directors. A longtime supporter of the Florida chapter of PCI, Glen is currently the president of the Florida Precast Concrete Association's Education Foundation. Glen's colleagues and peers praise him as a consummate professional and outstanding communicator, with a strong work ethic and a passion for precast concrete. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Glen Switzer as a PCI Fellow. Chad Van Kampen is the manager of pre-construction at Kerkstra Precast in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and a licensed engineer in 10 states. An active participant in the work of PCI since 2005, Chad currently chairs the FRP and Total Precast System committees and is a vice chair of the Hollow Core Committee. He is a graduate of the first Leadership PCI class and remains active in the program through his involvement in the LPCI Steering Committee. Chad has an extensive record of converting projects to precast concrete, including several award-winning buildings. He has authored a number of PCI journal papers on the methods that successfully resolved complex precast concrete construction problems. Chad is widely admired by his colleagues and peers for his professionalism, generosity, and dedication to our industry. For his many contributions to PCI and the precast concrete industry, PCI is proud to honor Chad Van Kampen as a PCI Fellow.